Navami, and this is almost the second last day of my Durga Utsav series. The series has got a lot of love from you guys, and I hope these last two video means today and tomorrow will also get a lot of love. And to all the people out there, a very happy Durga Puja and Dasahara, whoever is celebrating, whichever way. But just stay at home and have fun with your family. Just have good food. I could not upload in the very first few days of Durga Puja only because I was busy with my family also. But today I thought before I sit down for my puja and stuff, I am at home. I am not stepping out of the home unnecessarily. Like I went on Ashtami and Saptami with my husband just for like some time, and that too in a very controlled manner, in a very controlled environment. So I thought before, and my husband is not there today here in my town, so I thought I'll just get ready on camera with you guys and show you how I'm doing my Navami look. This sari is from Meesho, and the blouse is also from a friend of mine. So, without wasting further much of time, just straight head on to the video and we'll show you how I achieved a simple look which is glam at the same time. So if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. And yes, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button down below, because the next time I upload a new video you will be updated. So my face is already very much moisturized. I have done my moisturizing part, like it's just the morning time. I have already done my face after shower, so it's completely prepped up with moisturizer. So for I'm using the Benefit Scope Professional. This is an absolute definitely great if you have a very you have too much of pores around. So I just love this, and please forgive me for my chipped nails. Like I did not get time, I have a munchkin to manage, so always taking care on every part is not possible for me. So I just prep up like this. I'll just put it across, and this is a day look. Being a day look, I am not going to apply too much of foundation, like a full coverage foundation. I am using my regular foundation, that is the Maybelline Fit Me in this shade Sun Beige. I'll take it on my palm. So this is a stippling brush from Maybelline New York, and I'll directly start like this. This is a very sheer coverage that is buildable to medium, and I love it like this only. So yeah, it's a great one if you are going for a day look. You want a little coverage because you will be snapped, like you will click pictures. So this is a good foundation if you are not a very full coverage foundation person. I'm almost done blending with my foundation, just my nose area bit, because my foundation tends to move away first from my nose area. So yeah. Once I'm done with that, I'll just quickly conceal a little bit on my eyes, very little bit on the upper lid, and I'll name all the products I have used down below, so save time here. Has just taken away my heart. Like it's amazing. At this cost, it is like super. So I have a very dry skin on my cheeks, so I'm not using a compact all over my face. With the same stippling brush, I'll just take some compact and I'll just dab it on the eyelid, because I crease there a lot. And near my mouth area and the laugh line. That's it. I'm not going to powder my entire face. If you want, you can definitely go ahead. I have a very dry skin over this side, so I avoid using any kind of powder. If like I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. I'll do it very minimalistically, just to avoid that flat effect of the face. Just quickly contour the cheekbones to give that chisel look, the forehead and also the jawline to give that very defined look, the sharp look you want, and also remove the flatness of the foundation. On top palette, I'm using the highlighter shade and just creating this effect to give a very sharp chisel look. And with my finger, with this tiny finger, I'll just contour a bit of my nose. Not very much, like very less. Also here. I'm done with contouring of my face. I'll take my blusher palette from LA Girls, which is doing, like, you have seen this palette a lot in a lot of my videos. I'm taking this very mauvey kind of a color, dabbing up the excess, because this palette is actually very pigmented. Too much of it can do a little bit of harm, like harm in the sense it looks very over the top. So I'm just applying it in a less quantity. See the pigment already staying there. Once I'm done doing my contouring and blush on, I'll just apply a bit of highlighter, not very too much, because this is the daytime, like I'm going in the morning. I don't want my highlighter to glow. There was a phase altogether in my life when I was a highlighter person, like I was really blinding highlighter person, but now I guess with time it has just settled down in. And moreover, if I'm going for a day look, I don't think that much of highlighter does the job. So that's very quickly I've done my face. I'll just quickly set it up with the Maybelline Fixing Spray. I'll just dab off the excess product on my face and let my other makeup sit over here. So I'm now done with my face. I'll just head on to my eyes. So for my eyes, I'll just request you to little bit zoom in and see what the things are happening. So here you are up close and personal. I have done my eyebrows off camera, like very lightly. I'll just put a little bit of compact again on the lid, so whatever creases which has occurred will settle down in. Also I'll put some here. Using this palette from Nicka K, and this is an absolute love palette. Just see how I create this look. I'm taking this brown color from here and just I'll create a transition here to give that intensity and depth to the eyes. Just taking it from the outer corner and bringing it in, nothing else. Like, it's very easy and basic. All the beginners out there, you can do your makeup on yourself. And again, putting out as a disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just a makeup enthusiast, and that's it. I am no makeup artist. So once I've created this transition kind of a look, I am taking this light orangish color from here and just placing it here to give that break and the monotone from the monotone. Taking a brush like so, because it is a very easy and quick look, I don't want to drag it too long for you people, because this is for more of a beginner. I'm taking this together and I'm blending this brown shade over here to give that very defined eye look. I'm just taking this green shade and I'm just placing it here. Basically doing nothing but just creating the base for the last step I'm going to do and brightening up the whole eye look. So now I'll take this metallic shade from the same palette and I'll just put it on the base I have created with this green color. so that it sticks very well. And with the brush like so, I'll just blend the edges to just have a seamless finish on the edge, the green shade, and I'll just put it over here in the extreme corner. I'll not bring the colors inside, just in the extreme corner. Kajal, I'll just tight line my eyes. I tied the upper lash line as well, like so. Now I'm taking a yellow shade from this very palette. This is a very bright yellow shade, and I'll take it on a Q-tip and I'll just place it in the inner corner. This brings the entire contrast very together. I just love it. I don't know if the camera is able to pick this up or not, but in reality this looks very put together. Now I'll use my Hypercurl mascara on my lashes, and you can leave this look over here itself, but if you want you can definitely go out with a false lash, which is with this lash color. This lash color is from Miss Claire's and it's amazing. So I'm done with my eyes. I have done my mascara and a bit, and if you want to go with the eyelash, you can definitely glow. Like if I go out in a daytime look, I'll definitely try and apply a mascara, eyelash. But right now, I think this is more than enough for a daytime look. And for my lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Intense Crayon in the shade Mocha Brown. This is a very deep brown color shade. So I'm done with my makeup, and this is what I will be going out like. I just don't want to do any kind of cheating with you guys, and this is how I'm going to go out. I don't want to do any kind of cheating with you guys. This is actually a get ready with me. So yeah, this is the earring I will be wearing to complete the entire look together. I'm not going to wear anything in my neck, like that's all I'll be doing. My eyes will speak. I'll just open up my hair, comb it a bit, and I am just good to go like this. So that's how the entire look has turned out to be. I have kept it like real. I have showed you that what things I'm going to wear. I have worn it in front of you. So if you have liked the video, and if you have liked how I have done this makeup, and if you want to share something more, please do let me know in the comment section below, or you can also DM me on my Instagram handle, that is Sanchita Sinha A1. And if you do not find me there, I'll link it down below so that you can see me on Instagram. I post good stuff over there as well. And to all my Bengali friends, a happy Durga Puja. To the entire India and the people staying abroad, a very happy Dussehra. Have a safe Dussehra. Stay at home, enjoy with your family and friends at home. Please do not step out of your house. This is a folded handed request. And yeah, until next time, loads of love. Bye.